Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm back recording another one, just a simple one right here, kind of recording it in the morning. It's Thanksgiving Day, so I hope everybody is having a good day. You know, they're with their families. It's the 25th, so I'm pretty sure I'm right. Don't want to be messing stuff up. But yeah, recording this early because I got some stuff to do later today. But aside from all that, basically this video is going to be discussing your last chance to get the MANIERE ones. My goal with this drop, the sneakers release, the last chance to get them pretty much. My goal is to be going for my 4th or 5th pair. That's pretty much what the goal is going to be. Maybe I'll double up. I mean, it'd be insane to double up on a sneakers release like this one, but the best thing you can do is have multiple accounts. But we'll get into it. You want to check anything on the screen, of course. I'm giving back with secret sauce, so if you want to check that 50K giveaway down below, again, we're giving away a pair of off-white dunks for free. So go enter on that. You can win one of those dunks, 3 really good dunks. You can win one of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So check that on my Instagram. And let's get into this video. So first things first, y'all can see $200 retail. Again, I think we're going to start seeing Jordan 1s at $200, but I don't expect this video to be very long. I'm pretty much just going to rush through the basic details, you know, kind of like a market update, things like that. But yeah, y'all can see the $200 retail. It's currently scheduled for December 3rd at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and that should not be delayed or changed. You know, this has been loaded up for a while, and this drop has been so far pretty consistent. A lot of people that were manual users, especially people in the secret sauce group, you already know, we'll be mentioning them later. But you know, people like them in that group, a lot of people were getting their pairs manually. I already got my personal size, and then I just got a couple other to resell. I might resell one of them for retail. I might do it. I might give you all the opportunity to get a pair for retail, one person. We'll see if I do that, because you know, I've got enough already. But I'm gonna have to think about it, because these are amazing holds too. Basically, if you got this pair now, I'd already made a hold video like a week ago saying like if you had an early pair or you had one in advance right at that point, you should sell it, because having it, you know, if you get a sale at 700, 650 right now, that's a good idea. My size 12 actually that I had sold in advance, I don't even know where it's at right now. Hopefully someone's at least, you know, keeping it fresh on their feet or something, but still got my 10 and 8.5 on the way, so I'm not really tripping, you know, about those in-store raffle entries or anything like that. We still have plenty of chances, so just don't forget December 3rd, 10 a.m. Eastern time. And you also, aside from the really like nice details on the shoe, I love kind of the burgundy colorway, and also kind of like the snakeskin like burgundy theme that they got going on, the swoosh, how that matches with the laces. The box is also pretty clean. I wish I had this in hand already, so, or at least wish I was back in Charleston, because I got a pair, you know, shipped down there already. But you know, I'm down in Charlotte here for Thanksgiving, but if I was down in Charleston for college right now where my pair is, I could have done the in-hand try-on review. But that, you know, that'll be coming soon. Don't worry, that'll be much before, you know, plenty of time before the sneakers release. Y'all will be kind of seeing my in-hand review and all that. But that's really what I have to mention, at least for this. Multiple accounts is going to be the way you win this release. That is going to be the way it happens. And I have 2 videos I'll link down below. I'll mention them in a second. We'll probably, you know, get into those, like kind of those multiple accounts videos. Like those will be in the description. Y'all will see them in a second. But that's really important for this drop. That is going to be your best chance with hitting on sneakers, because on sneakers there's around 15K stock. That is at least what I've been told, the information that I have. I trust the information that I get to, but that seems fairly reasonable, you know. I think that would leave it at around under 35K pairs total for this shoe, which I think that's about how much there is. I think there's a lot of people keeping this shoe for the toe. That's also kind of why there isn't a lot of pairs being resold too. I think there's a lot of people just rocking this one, and of course that'll bring up the market of this shoe. But aside from my details, you know, of course they're dropping to other sizes. That's what I was about to get into before that. But yeah, we got this. You know, if you want to enter in the little kid sizes, feel free, or the toddler sizes. You know, there might be some light profit there, but I'll probably just be avoiding those ones, because I mean, I don't need to be getting pairs of those. Someone might actually want those pairs for the kids or something, so I'm good. But yeah, looking at this one right here, at least the adult sizes market has held so much better than I thought it would. When I say so much better than I thought it would, I mean like way better than I thought it would. Jordan 1s recently, at least, in kind of the down, like the last half of 2021, that's how I could put it, at least Jordan 1s haven't been doing too hot. Y'all have noticed that too. There's been a lot of Jordan 1s that have been bricking, and that's mainly due to them having high stock and them honestly just getting kind of played out, in my opinion. I felt like there was a lot of colorways of Jordan 1s that had been played out, but there was a couple ones that have now been delayed that were going to release in December that were doing very good. Of course, this one having the December 3rd sneakers release, that wasn't the original release for it. That is the 3rd release for it. This is the 3rd and final release for it. Don't forget, you had the in-store raffle entry, you had the MANIERE website, which was a very easy cook for a manual user. And if you didn't hit manual, by the way, no big deal. I got very lucky yesterday that I even got a pair. I had a 13-minute wait or no, 11-minute wait. Yeah, 11-minute wait, and I still got a pair. That's, someone's on my side. Someone's on my side. Because that's just straight luck, and I know it is. But looking at market on these ones right now, I mean, look at how these pairs are holding. At around almost, I think, 700 sales on StockX. Look at how market is holding right now. And of course, when the pairs land in hand, it will probably drop another like $50. But I mean, I have to admit, I was wrong about how far I thought this one would drop. At least, I mean, we still have the sneakers release, you know, that is another 15K pairs, but I think market will probably very comfortably for the shoes settle at around $375, $450, and the bigger sizes being above 400. And I didn't think that would happen. I honestly thought all sizes would probably drop under 400. It'd more or less be around the range of 325, like kind of 350. That's what I was thinking. And, you know, maybe some sizes would be closer, you know, like 290, like 300. That was my original prediction for this one. And that's why, you know, I made the video. I was like, yo, if you got it, of course, sell it now before the sneakers release and also the MANIERE website release. That was the main point of that video. But, you know, I should have titled it differently because people were like, you're dumb, this is a hold. And I was like, I said these were a long-term hold, but we debate for a reason in our comment section. But that's just kind of what I'm thinking. If you get the shoe after the sneakers release, I mean, if you got your pairs now, just hold on to them. There's no point in selling it now. These would be worth much more down the line. And a lot of people are calling these better than the 3s. I can agree with that. I mean, I honestly, people calling the MANIERE 3s the shoe of the year, that was crazy to me. That was crazy talk. I mean, I've seen those in hand, and I think that's just... What? I mean, they're cool, but it's just like, there was so many more dope shoes in 2021. Like, come on. I even thought what the Pauls were better than those. Like, those are just more unique. I mean, there's some way more SB Street Hawkers. And I'm not trying to just be a Dunk fanboy, you know. There's better 4s that dropped this year. I mean, maybe it'd be basic to say something like a Jordan 4, or, you know, you could have gone with something Yeezy. I mean, shoot, there was crazy Yeezys this year, but they went with the 3s. I'm not disagreeing, though. A lot of people thought they're shoe of the year. So, you know what? I think they're going with a fair opinion there. But that's just kind of what I'm thinking about these. Market is going to be amazing on these ones and an even better hold for the long term. You should look at how the 3s performed. So, I mean, they'll probably follow suit over time. You know, again, more long-term, not a short-term hold. Don't expect that. But I got to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. These were the guys to help me secure my in-store raffle entry pairs and also helped me, you know, get that pair off the website yesterday. They gave me the link for it. So, you know, I was able to check out and get a pair in time. You know, I didn't have to wait in the queue for too long. The main reason I had a slightly longer queue was because of my own error. I got in like a minute late. So, again, I'm very lucky to even have an extra pair from the MANIERE website. I probably will hit some of the sneakers. I'm thinking I'll just have to run a lot of accounts for it, and that's what I recommend. And I will show you all some videos on for that. They'll just be down in the description. If you want to see some videos that can help you out with, you know, making multiple accounts on sneakers or having, you know, some tips and tricks, just they'll be down there. Check it out. But y'all should see the success that people are having. Look at all those Xboxes and also different variety of shoes that people are copping. Y'all can see multiple pairs of MANIEREs right there. And then look at that one, another one right there. There's plenty. You can see people cooking the Xboxes, another MANIERE, another one right there. I mean, people really have been cooking in this group, and especially on this release, there was hundreds of members that got pairs of these. And I'm really happy to say that because this release was one of those ones that was going to be more confusing for manual users. But if you knew what you were doing, it would be much easier. And Secret Sauce members knew what they were doing thanks to their information. So that's just really more, you know, things they provide. They've been doing a lot more backdoors recently too. When I say a lot more, I mean they did one for some dunks yesterday. They did one Jordan 1 Bordeaux, you know, Strawberry Coughs, Mummy dunks. I've mentioned all those previous backdoors. But if you're also just trying to cop a PS5, again, they're running free tickets for members right now for PS5s in December. So they're trying to help all members cop a PS5 in December. So they're running free tickets for them. So I think that's dope. Every member is getting free tickets for PS5s right now. That's such a, you know, huge one up to them. So if y'all want to check out my guys at Secret Sauce down below, check them out. Make sure, you know, get in maybe before the last MANIERE drop, kind of see what advice they can give on that sneakers one. Or if you're just trying to, again, get into consoles, you know, botting, whatever it may be, you can open a help ticket. Ask anything, you know. They're really helpful. So if you're trying to get in, send them a message on Twitter. Be like, Tristan sent me. I'm trying to get in. Or, you know, just, you know, follow them on Instagram and wait until they drop invites again. And maybe you'll, you know, I type in the chat fairly often, so you may see me. You can say what's up. Of course, I try responding to people. I appreciate your guys' constant support as always. And yeah, everything helpful will be linked down below. And that's basically my best advice for this release. It really is going to come down to entering, you know, as many accounts within that little 10-minute span as you can to hit on this release. And hopefully you didn't hear my fam in the background. They're not being too loud, I don't think. But yeah, that's everything I need to mention. And we'll just kind of head into the outro. This is your last chance to get the MANIERE ones. That's why we'll probably title this video, Last Chance to Cop MANIERE ones, How to Cop. And that's my best advice. You're going to need a lot of accounts. And, you know, get your friends, get your mom, get your dad, get your brother, sister, get everybody running for this release. So we'll just kind of head into the outro. I mean, we're already in it, so I don't know why I'm repeating that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like anxious or something. When I hear people in the background of my videos, I get anxious. I don't know why. That's just something I do. But yeah, check those Instagrams, all that down below. I think I know why I get anxious. It's because they talk really loud, and it's, what time is it? 10 a.m. It's too early for that, my G. It's way too early for that. But I'm gonna end this. Hopefully that made you cringe inside out. Enjoy it. Giveaways down below. I'm gonna make sure that quiet down. I'll see you on the next. Peace.